Like so many of my other recipes, this rice and black bean salad came about because of excess. In this case, it was excess cooked rice and black beans. Not wanting to eat the same thing for a week or to have it go to waste, I combined the leftover cooked rice and black beans with a couple household staples: bell pepper, onion, little cilantro, some oil, and some carrots, and a classic was born. Over the years, this recipe has proven time and time again to be a crowd pleaser. To begin, if you don't already have cooked rice on hand, cook some rice. Wash the rice until the water runs clean, and then cook rice. How you cook rice? I am not the one to give a recipe for cooking white rice. I just wing it, and 99% of the time it comes out the way it should. But it should take 10 to 12 minutes to cook, depending on the amount of rice you're cooking. While the rice is cooking, rinse the black beans really well to get the brine off and shake off the excess water. You don't want any excess liquid in this because it will definitely make your dish sour. Add the rinsed beans to a glass bowl and then chop the rest of the ingredients. What we're aiming for is a really small dice. I like a glass bowl because the raw onions that this recipe calls for tends to cling to plastic, which makes it a pain to clean afterwards. Where glass, the scent it doesn't linger, it just washes away. Now, once everything is chopped, give it a good stir and add in your oil and taste for saltiness. The beans are good on salt, but the veggies are fresh, so you might need to add like a half a teaspoon or so of salt just to boost the flavors. By the time you're done chopping and mixing and washing up behind yourself, the rice should be cooked. Flake it with a fork just to ensure that it is cooked before you mix it in. Mix in the rice. A 1-to-1 ratio, more or less, 1 part rice, 1 part black bean is what we're aiming for, but mix everything together. One thing to note, using hot rice, it will temper the zip of the raw onions just a little bit, so it will make your flavors a little milder versus using cold rice, which will result in a bolder, more pronounced flavor. Either which way, you'll get the nice crisp of the veggies and the tenderness of the beans and the rice combined. If you're serving this dish right away, great. If you're not serving it right away, if you do have leftovers, let it cool on the countertop for about 20 to 30 minutes before you put the dish in the fridge. This will extend the shelf life, stop it from going sour. This rice and black bean salad can be served hot or cold and makes an excellent side dish with just about any dish you decide. It's especially good with spicy chicken or fish dishes, but let your taste buds be your guide. Feel free to leave comments or feedback if you choose to try this recipe. Bon appetit!